Sustainability.
It's like being eco-friendly.
Planning for the future.
Using all your resources wisely.
Things like green bags at supermarkets.
Managing resources carefully and making sure there's stuff for the future.
We set out to see whether it was possible to engage students in two different locations in a creative project. One of the things which really interests me in terms of the project is that sustainability, it is a global issue.
My name's Tony. I'm a third-year film student at Curtin University in Perth, Western Australia.
Hello， 大家好，叫陈梦翔，是浙江传媒学院广播电视编导专业大2的学生。
The project's called Earth Sky Us. It's a collaboration between students in Perth and students in Hangzhou, China. Students from each city is thinking about what sustainability means to them as citizens of that city, but also as global citizens.
First got interested in this unit because I'm always keen to learn something new and to develop my worldviews. I think the issue of sustainability of our planet is the most crucial problem our generation has to face.
技术的革新对教育的帮助其实是显而易见的。例如多媒体的使用，在我们的教学过程当中，可以让教学更加可视性、视听化。那么在网络纪录片和技术结合的过程当中，我想最明显的优势可以让身处南北半球的学生可以分享很多一些想法，让他们互相进行探讨，这是非常有意义的。
After researching Perth's water situation, it actually hit me that how much water I use a day and how much I think I've taken it for granted.
One of our students, Caden, decided he'd go 24 hours without water, and he documented that, reflecting the camera along the way.
It is quite astonishing to think that many people around the world don't have access to clean water like 24/7.
Sometimes when we experience another environment or another culture, we perhaps look at our own in a different way. And certainly this was a comment that we got from a number of the students, that they actually not only were interested in finding out and seeing, for instance, from the Chinese perspective, seeing what Perth was like, but that made them actually go back and look at Hangzhou in a different way.
Hi, I'm Song. I want to say were it not for the experience of the internet class, I would not have the chance letting me know the other side of one of the most developed city in China.
That is the value of an intercultural experience, because in a good intercultural experience, you actually not only explore the other culture, but it gets you reflecting on your own and your own relationship to that other culture.
我完全同意 Howard 说啊，这句话我觉得非常有意思。Howard 说，他说啊，这个两国人民之间分享观点，会建立我们两国之间的关系啊，使我们两国之间的关系会更加的巩固，我们两国人民之间的这种可持续发展的关系得到更持续的发展。我觉得这个意义是非常深远的。
The sister-state relationship between Zhejiang Province and Western Australia is all about collapsing the 7,000 kilometres or so that separate us. We're looking ahead to exploring further new techniques and ideas for collaborative teaching and learning.
We have the sister-state relationship between Western Australia and Zhejiang. What we're doing is personalising that, and that's the thing which I think is going to take it forward and see it move through generations.
When I think of sustainability, I think of, kind of having an earth for the future, not just for now, living in a world where we don't just think of the short term, but for the long term. Going out of our way to find a different way of going about something.